Hello, I'm Laure, and I'm an Ayurvedic diet and lifestyle coach. I help women lose weight sustainably and permanently by shifting from a restrictive diet approach to a healthy digestion and lifestyle approach. In the last video, we saw how difficult it is to accurately count the amount of calories or energy our bodies expend. How about the calories we take in? The Food and Drug Administration allows for up to 20% margin of error in the numbers on nutritional labels. So the 250 calorie snack you're enjoying might be 200 or 300. Even the experts like dietitians don't really know. And we know even less. In other words, counting calories is absolutely not an accurate science. And being overweight makes it more likely that we'll underestimate the calories we eat in our meals. And the reason for that is because food portions have changed drastically over the last 30 years. Remember when a muffin was this size? So what to do? In the upcoming online weight loss group coaching program, you learn habits, food habits, that will effortlessly help you decrease your portions. In the next video, I'll talk about the factors that affect how your body uses calories, either storing them as fat or using them as energy. Don't forget to sign up for the upcoming live Q&A if you'd like to talk about how this can work for you.